Well, good morning. Today is Tuesday, day after Memorial Day. Bullet and I are out for a walk, and it rained off and on all night. No surprise there because it rained off and on all day yesterday. Couldn't get out and do anything hardly. So we're out for a walk this morning before the next rain. Oh, I don't know if you can see Bullet down there. See if I can bring him up better. Whoop, whoop, too far. There we go. There he is. Yeah, down there. Got a bark in the pipe. Well, anyway, look at the trees. They're so full of water they can't hardly hold their limbs up. But we've got a lot of leaves. Thank goodness for warmer weather because it was cold last winter. And today, my wife is still out of town today, so yesterday was a work day in the house. And today is going to be a work day outside. Well, that's not panning out too good. I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. I'm on my way to 1,000. I got, what did it say? 659? Something like that. So I'm working on that, but I do a lot of shorts. And people on YouTube say that shorts is not the way to go. However, when I go to sit down and make a long form video, I get frustrated. I get tied up and overthinking it, I guess. So I don't know. I got some things I'd like to talk about. But I like doing shorts because they're short and easy. More or less. Some people's shorts are really good. I like watching the shorts. Anyway, we are working on it. And there he goes. All four legs and a crook tail. He slept with me last night. And he got me up twice, barking. What a dog.